In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable unnecessary startup app on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Startup apps can affect the time that it takes your PC to boot up. By disabling apps that you don't use, you can improve your PC boot time and performance. Let's get started. There are two ways to disable a startup app. The first way is right click on taskbar, click on task manager. In left pane, click on startup app, and here you will find all startup apps, and you can disable startup apps from here. And I'm going to show you the another way. Right click on start menu, click on settings. In left pane, click on apps. Now click on startup, and you will find your all startup apps are here. You can enable or disable startup apps from both way. I'm going to disable a startup app from here in settings, also Cortana, and also you can disable app from here. Right click on app and click on disable, and look that app is disabled. And the both way you can disable startup apps. And I've disabled all apps from settings, close task manager and open task manager again. Click on startup apps. All startup apps are disabled right now. This is the easiest way to disable startup apps to speed up your Windows 11 computer's boot time. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.